Hello, today we're going to have a look at one of WordPress most popular theme, which is still popular now in 2021, and it allows you to get a lot of different content for free. So for instance, you can create an e-commerce website for free with that theme. It's not limited to e-commerce, but this video is dedicated to e-commerce, so let's jump into it. Now, this is your WordPress backend, so I will also make a video on how to actually install WordPress on your own hosting, but most of you already know how to do that. You install WordPress and make sure you also have your WooCommerce plugin. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. You go to plugins, add new, and you search for WooCommerce. Right. Now you click install and activate. When this is done, this is now time for you to go and look for your theme. So you go to Appearance, Themes. Now you usually have a few themes already downloaded on your WordPress by default, but we don't want to work with these ones. Now you click on Add New and you search for Astra. Astra is a theme that I'm going to showcase to you today. You click on Install and Activate. Now, one of the main reasons I'm showing you Astra today is that it's not just one theme. Astra is a bundle of themes, so you will have access to over 70 different layouts, themes for your website to choose from. And they're all highly customizable and work with the most popular page builders. So, namely Beaver, Elementor, Divi. So choose your page builder, the one you're more comfortable with. I will be using Elementor for myself. So now that your theme is activated, you can go to Astra Options here in the left menu, and you see Install Importer plugin. So what this does is it's gonna import a whole website to your WordPress, so you don't have to start building it from scratch. So you basically take a copy of the website, and then it's easier for you as a beginner to just replace the content instead of creating everything from scratch. Okay, so here we go. We get the plugin by clicking here. It's going to activate it for you. You choose your favorite builder. I like Elementor, so I'm going to choose Elementor. Great. So with Elementor Builder, you can choose your builder here if you wish also. So all these themes and layouts can be used with Elementor. Now I'll filter by e-commerce and free, because if you see a little agency here, that means it's probably not free. So you can filter by free. And for our video, we're going to choose e-commerce. So all these are available for free to create your e-commerce website. Now, my favorite one is this one. So we're going to have a look at the organic store. Now, when you click on one of them, you can actually browse and see what it will look like. Click on the About and the Contact. Now, if you like this site, you just have to click one button. In one click, your website will be imported for you. So import complete site. Choose beginner, building for myself. You don't need to choose anything in the advanced. Check. You can skip this one. Great. So it's going to install the Elementor plugin for you. Elementor is going to be used for editing your pages. Now, one of the good things again with Astra is that it's made for beginners, so you don't have to work with code anywhere. Everything is easy to customize and anyone can do it. So now we're gonna have to wait a few seconds generally for the whole website to be imported? Good, it's done. Now we can click here to view the site quickly. Great. So now you can see that your website has been uploaded to your WordPress. This is your current website. Beautiful layout, all products. So these are the products which are on the website. Of course, now you will need to edit this website and add your own products and, of course, your own text. For example, the about page. But all the sections are here already. It's just a matter of replacing the data. So let me show you how to edit this. There's two ways. I'm going to show you the easiest way for me. So basically, when you are on your dashboard, you can click here and click on the visit site and choose a page that you want to edit. So let's say you want to edit this page. You just click on edit with Elementor and it's going to load the page builder for you. And it's the same for all the other page builders if you have chosen something else but is not Elementor. So this is the Elementor panel with all the options that you can have. So it's drag and drop. See, if you want to add a button. So let's say you don't like this button and you want to add your own button, just drag a button here and go to the style to change what it looks like. So it's up to you now. It's drag and drop, very easy to use. You click on this text and you will see it appear here, and you can write something else like buy our organic products. Okay, so I will make a video separately for Elementor to show you how to use it. So for now, this is how you install your theme, Astra theme. So I'm gonna exit here. Another good reason for you to use Astra is that it's been currently used by millions of websites already on WordPress. And this is also one of the fastest e-commerce websites, which is great for your SEO. You want your website to load very fast, and this is one of the major things that Google looks at to rank your website. So if you start with a website which is fast and you later on optimize it for your SEO, it's going to work great for you. Great. So subscribe to my channel now. Click the little ring button to be notified of new videos. I'm going to make new videos on Elementor and how to use Elementor to modify your website.